Hey guys, it's Josh at Next Gen Performance, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the C5 Corvette hood light. First thing you want to do is come around here and take a look at the hood liner. This hood liner has a bunch of these push pins, or I call them Christmas tree push pins basically. You just want to get your pry tool under there and give it a quick pop like that. And then they come out right there, Christmas tree intact. If you kind of go a little slower, they don't tend to come out as good. So you want to just give it a quick pop, get in there, and just quick pop, and come right out. See, that one broke. Didn't do quick enough. There we go. Your hood liner is off. Set that aside. Now we have revealed the hood light. As you can see underneath here, there are two rivets right in here and right on the other side. So what do you want to do is you're going to get your drill out. Probably going to go with a, I don't know, around a 1/4 inch drill bit. Put your drill bit in. All right, now you want to get right in the center of that rivet. Make sure you're in the center, and you don't want to hit the plastic on this hood light because it'll go in harder when you take it out, when you have to put it back in. There we go. Now the other rivet was already removed prior, so basically you just got to do that to both rivets, and then you should have a nice clean plastic piece. If you go too hard, you might disturb the hole a little bit more, but this should allow you to replace the cover, replace the light bulb. If you want to go to an LED light bulb, you can, or if you're just replacing a cracked or damaged or missing hood light, this is a great way to do it. Step 2 of the hood light removal and installation process on a C5 Corvette. So we've already removed the hood liner and the hood light from the hood. We drilled out these rivets here and removed the hood light. Now if you are removing and reinstalling another hood light, if this one is cracked and you want to just replace it with another one you found online or on eBay, this video will be helpful to you. So next step, we're going to drill these old rivets out with a 3/16 drill bit. So I'm going to get in here and start drilling this hole first. Alright, it's fiberglass, so it's not going to take much to get it through there. And then I'm going to try to do the other one. Try to do it in the center if you can. Alright. Now that we got our holes drilled to 3/16, we got our 3/16 rivets here. We got our rivet tool. So now we're gonna put our hood light, or our new hood light, or I'm just using the old one just as a example. I'm gonna stick it right there in the original spot. Put our rivet through. Actually, we're gonna have to open up this hole a little because we're using a bigger size rivet. Now, hopefully our rivet goes through like that. And then we'll go into the hole that we made, the 3/16 hole. Up it in there, give it a couple pumps until it breaks off like that. Now, our second rivet will go in the second hole. Like so. Couple pumps until it breaks off. Now you got new hood light installed. And from there, we can plug in our connector, and then you can put in your bulb of choosing, whether it be a regular factory bulb or an LED or something like that. And then from there, you would put the lens on the housing, and you would reinstall your hood liner, and you're ready to roll. Check out our other videos on our YouTube and subscribe. Thanks. See you again.